Sponsored by VSK Business Consultant. New Entrepreneur Retail Business FAQ, Chennai Focus. 1. What is the absolute first step I should take before launching my retail business in Chennai? VSK says, conduct thorough market research specifically for Chennai. Understand the local demand, identify your potential customer base within the city, and analyze the competitive landscape unique to Chennai. 2. How do I choose the right location for my physical retail store in Chennai, keeping in mind local consumer behavior and preferences? VSK advises, carefully analyze foot traffic in relevant areas of Chennai, considering accessibility via local transport and parking. Evaluate the visibility of the location to your target demographic and its proximity to complementary businesses. Also, thoroughly research local lease costs and the concentration of your ideal customers in different neighborhoods. 3. What are the essential components of a business plan specifically tailored for a retail business in the Chennai market? VSK highlights, your plan should include an executive summary, a detailed company description, a thorough analysis of the Chennai market, specifics on your product or service offerings that cater to local tastes and needs, a marketing and sales strategy designed for Chennai consumers, an overview of your management team, realistic financial projections that account for local costs and pricing, and any funding requests. 4. What's a realistic estimate of the startup capital required for a retail business in Chennai? VSK cautions, startup costs can vary significantly based on the type of retail, the specific location within Chennai, and the scale of your operation. Key expenses to consider include your initial inventory, any necessary shop setup or renovations, equipment, local marketing and advertising efforts, staffing costs, considering local wage standards, and ongoing operational expenses. Developing a detailed budget that reflects these local factors is crucial. 5. How can I effectively attract and retain customers in Chennai's competitive retail environment? VSK suggests, offer products or services that strongly resonate with the Chennai market. Provide exceptional customer service that understands and caters to local nuances and expectations. Implement effective loyalty programs. Utilize marketing channels that are popular and influential in Chennai, such as local newspapers, radio, and relevant social media platforms. Create a welcoming and engaging in-store or online experience. Actively build relationships with your local customer base. 6. How do I manage my inventory efficiently, considering the supply chain and consumer demand patterns in Chennai? VSK recommends, implement a robust inventory management system. Track your sales data closely, paying attention to seasonal trends and local events in Chennai that might impact demand. Develop accurate demand forecasts. Establish clear reorder points. Cultivate relationships with reliable local suppliers to ensure timely restocking. 7. What are the key legal and regulatory requirements I need to be aware of for starting a retail business in Tamil Nadu, India? VSK emphasizes, you will need to register your business appropriately, e.g., as a proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company. Obtain all necessary licenses and permits, including GST registration and the specific shop and establishment license required in Tamil Nadu. Ensure you comply with all applicable local labor laws if you plan to hire employees. Also, be fully aware of and adhere to regulations related to product safety, labeling, and any other industry-specific requirements in India. 8. How can I best utilize online platforms to support my retail business in Chennai, considering the local digital landscape and online shopping habits? VSK advises, establish a professional e-commerce website. Leverage social media platforms that are widely used in Chennai for marketing and sales. Explore opportunities on local online marketplaces. Invest in targeted online advertising that reaches Chennai consumers. Consider offering online ordering with efficient local delivery options to cater to the preferences of Chennai shoppers. 9. What are some common mistakes that new retail entrepreneurs in Chennai should strive to avoid? VSK warns against underestimating the initial and ongoing costs specific to operating in Chennai, implementing poor inventory management practices, developing ineffective marketing strategies that don't resonate with the local audience, neglecting customer service expectations prevalent in Chennai, failing to adapt to the unique local market trends and preferences, and, critically, not managing your cash flow effectively. 10. How can VSK Business Consultant specifically assist new retail entrepreneurs in Chennai to launch and succeed? VSK offers tailored market research focused on the Chennai region, comprehensive business plan development with specific attention to the local market dynamics, accurate financial forecasting that considers Chennai's economic factors, strategic site selection assistance within Chennai, development of effective marketing strategies designed for Chennai consumers, guidance on improving operational efficiency, and expert assistance in navigating the specific legal and regulatory landscape of Tamil Nadu. Trust VSK Business Consultant to be your partner in success. Stay connected. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful videos. Follow our WhatsApp channel for updates. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Visit our website at www.vsbusinessconsultant.in.